dear friends, welcome back to my another video. And in this video, we are creating the snake and ladders game. This is the second video of the snake and ladders game. In our previous video, we created the design of our snake and ladders game. Now in this video, we will just write the coding of the sprites, and then let's see how our game will work. So first of all, what we have to do, you have to number your table that you have already made, and you can number it by going to backdrops, and here is the board 3, this, and now you will do text, and here you can keep the color, and then click here and write whatever you want. So here I have kept 1. Okay, here's the 1. So just like this, you have to make it from here to here and here to here, here to here, so up to 100. And I have already made this table, so I don't need to make again. So you have to number this table up to 100. So I have already made the table, you can see it. So here is my table, I have already made this, and you can also make. So now we have to position the sprite. So here is my first sprite, and I have positioned it. Let me position it again for you. So when green flag is clicked and go to x33 and y minus 82, then sprite 2. Here I have also done the same, here also done same, and here I have also done the same. Now you will also position the other sprites too, and you can also make a sprite player. So you can make it at the costumes, and here it is. You can see here is a sprite that I have made, and you can make other one if you want. So now let's go to our sprites coding session. You don't have to do any other code with this. You have to go to sprite, and here you will write the codes. So first of all, let me erase these all codes. So once you have set the position of these sprites, and now you will go to backgrounds, and here you have to go to variables, and in variables you have to make a list and name it as direction when you will make it visible. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make a variable and make two variables. One will you name as dice roll, and another will be player turn. So now you will go when green, you will insert the code here when green flag is clicked. So here you will insert when green flag is clicked, you will drag it here, and then you will go to looks block, and here you will switch backdrop to board 3. The name you have kept to this board, and after that you have to go to variables, and here set dice rule. You will you will here choose player turn to 1, and this should be 1. Here I had on it, and after that you have to go here and delete all of direction. Here it is in the list, and after that you have to go to control, and here you have to go to repeat, and in this repeat name it only 9 times, not 10, and after that repeat it 5 times first of all, and then in this you will keep another repeat that will be 9 times. Here you can see here it is 9 times, and inside it there should be add. Here you will go to lists, and here it is add. So add thing to direction, you will add up, you will write here up instead of thing to direction. Okay, done. And after that another repeat should be inserted, which will be also 9 times, and then add add again that right to direction. Okay, and after that below the repeat there should be add up to direction. So these are the codes for the backdrops. So here if you want to see what will happen, you can click this, and here these should appear, and the length is 100 up, right up. Okay, now let to hide the direction, and after that let's move to the coding section of the sprite and rolling dice. So first of all, let's go to the sprites coding. So when the green flag will be clicked, it will be in the events block. So go to looks block and here drag the show block. Here is the show. And then you will insert also go to the print layer. So here it is, go to the print layer. And then you will go to motions block and then go to X. You will set the position of the player of your player. So here the position is in on the 2, here is it's minus 57, and here it will be minus 103 by minus 234. It's based on your position. So then you will go to again variables and then set position to 1. So the position should be 1, and then when the space key is pressed in events block, you will go when the space key is pressed. Below that, if you have to insert it from here, if then, so if the you have to drag this in the if then block. I will show you how here, and then you have to drag the equal button. Okay, done. And then in this you have to also set the item position which will be in the lists. So here is the item position of the direction. So here you will keep the position which is the variable and drag it into this, and then after you have to do set up the direction when the direction is equal to left. So here you will write the left and then change x by minus 48. So this is based on your player's turn. So when the position will be left, it will change the position to minus 48. So here you can see when the player is here, when it will change the position to right, how much it will move, the x will be minus 55. So that's why I have wrote here minus 48. It is based on the player's position. Your position will be another based on the player's position, where how much big your player is. So here then we have to do the same. You have to duplicate this and then put it again here, duplicate it and put it again here. So then you have to change the values. Here you will write right, and when it will go to right there should be 48. When it will go, it will change y, the y position. So what it will do, it will move 35. So when it will change the y, here you can see here it should be 35. So this is the y position, and then here is change position. You have to go to variables, and here you will do change position by change position. Here you have to keep position by change position by whatever here is it 1. Okay, and then wait 0.03 seconds. It will be here, wait 1 second, you have to write here 0.003 seconds. Okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to insert if then again, and here you will also duplicate this, and here what you have to do, if then is inserted, when the if then is inserted. So instead of the item position, here you have to keep the position. The position of player, if the position of player is equal to 7, so then what you will do, glide 166 to x 276 y minus 131. So position here is the glide, yes, glide 1 to x minus 102 y minus 201. Then if the position is here, you will keep the player at the 7. If here is the position, so you can see the position of this 176 y minus 34. So if the player will be here, glide, it will glide to the 30 position 32. And what will be the position here? You have to drag it and keep it here. So then set position to 32. It will set the position to the 32. Now you have to duplicate this again, and if the position is equal to, then you have to keep it 17, and you have to keep the player at the 17, and then 44 you have to drag this and keep it here. Here you can see minus 97, same values as I have kept here, and then set position to 44, it will go to 44. Duplicate, you have to duplicate this 7 times, and then if the position is 56, you can see the position will be 56 and 56. So if the position is 56, you have to do the same as done here, and then it will go upwards, downwards. And now if the position will be 22, what will happen? It will glide. So here you have to keep the player here at the 3, so it will glide to 3. If the position will be 22, it will glide to 3. You have to do the same. You have to change the values, drag this and keep it here. So you have to do the same for the rest of the sprites. This is the coding for the sprite. It's very easy for us to write this coding, but it's a little bit longer, so it will take some time for writing it. And after that, let's move to the coding of the sprite. So when the green flag will be clicked, the same, go to front layer, and in this front layer what you have to do, then go to x to 18, you have to go to 18, and y minus 149. It is the position of the rolling dice which is here. So then when I receive roll the dice, and when it will receive, when I receive, so here is when I receive roll the dice, and sometimes it will be here new message or another thing. So you have to create the message, and then you can keep it here, roll the dice, show, and here you have to drag it from the looks block, show. Here is the show, and repeat 10 times. You have to insert the repeat here it is, and repeat. Okay, so repeat, I will show you how this is done. Repeat and 10 times, and then you have to do set dice roll. You have to set the dice roll to pick random. So here it will be pick random, pick random from our dice has 6 costumes. You can see here it has 6 costumes. So here you have to keep 1 to 6 only. Okay, and then we have to switch costume to dice roll, and here you have to do the switch costume to a dice roll. Here is dice roll. Okay, done. And after that wait 0.1 seconds. You have to wait 0.1 seconds and then wait 3 seconds, and here also write when space key pressed broadcast to roll the dice. Okay, you have created the snake and ladders game. This is it. The coding is done, and now the snake and ladders game will work properly. It will work. I will show you how it will work. So here, when I have pressed the space key, the rolling dice moved. So this is it for guys. This was the tutorial of creating the Cynic and Ladders game. I will meet you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like the video. Thank you.